Low carb grocery store, and I'm going to go inside and show you what I like. So let's go in. Okay, so we're going to start off, hopefully you can see because it's very sunny, are the Sweet Smarts, which I absolutely love. And if you use my name, Risa Weiner, you can get a discount. All right, so check it out for Sweet Smarts. Love their products. Okay, so they have some different types of chips here. Protein chips that I hear are very good, which I haven't tried yet. And you can get the Russell Brand's different types of chocolates and candies. I really love the red vines. I like the black licorice, but it also comes in strawberry. It's one of my favorites. Of course, the Jelly Bellies are delicious. They have other products, other sugar-free chocolate and candies. Of course, you know the Werthers. The meringue cookies are great. You can have 10 for one Smart Point on Weight Watchers, and it comes in different flavors. They have chocolate, they have vanilla, they have cappuccino. Okay. All right. Lots of different keto options here as well. Different coconut oils. And for the summer, I love the Mr. Freezies. All right, so moving on to the sugar-free syrups that I absolutely love. And I love this brand because it tastes very good, in my opinion. I've tried several of them, and they're about $10 a bottle, but you get a large bottle and they last a long time. And you know I use Swerve for lots of my baking on Risa Weiner YouTube. And the Sucrin Gold is also excellent. I've tried the sugar-free honey, which is great and nice and thick, and cinnamon sugar you can buy as well. Okay, if you want to make your muffins, they have different muffins and pancake mixes already made. Let's see what else they have here. They carry the new pasta, which I love, and I haven't tried these yet, but I've heard of them. The rice-shaped noodles here, spaghetti, and their vegetable noodles and pasta. I heard they're really good, so I have to try those. And other types of noodles here. The carbonara I've tried for Smart Points for a cup. And they have chickpea pasta. Alrighty, let's move on to, of course, my favorite syrup is the Joseph syrup. And I just noticed that they have a blueberry syrup. I'm going to have to try that. What else? More crisps, crackers on the shelf. Pumpkin seeds, different types of protein snacks. And I have tried these. They're very good. I love the pizza one. So you can try those out. What else? Of course, you know I love the K's cereal. Very high in protein, low in sugar. And they do have the SMAPs cereal, which I always advertise. I like the SMAPs as well. And there's a whole bunch of different kinds of bars that you can get here as well. I always buy my PB2 and you can get it in the peanut butter and chocolate flavored or just the plain. And they have different kinds of sugar-free jams. The other thing that I love are the barbecue sauces. I love the Guy's barbecue sauce, which is fantastic. And I love the Crazy Mooskies. They're great as well. And in the fridge section, I really love the donuts. They have different types. Vanilla chocolate, chocolate vanilla. Okay, I haven't seen those before. But my favorite is the lemon, and the pumpkin's great. And I love the Mama Lupa tortillas. I talk about those a lot. They also have the Joseph's pitas. You can get the small ones, which are 1 smart point, or you can get the very large, huge ones to make pizzas with. All right, let's see what else. Of course, they have the sugar-free Jell-O and Jell-O puddings. And that is it for now. So I hope this helps you out when you guys are shopping at the low carb grocery store and buying different types of products that will help you on your journey. Just gonna see if you can see me. I hope you can see me. So this is it, the low carb store that I'm always talking about. And you can ship if you're in Canada, and come out and check it out. 170 Esna, Markham Road. All right? Markham, Ontario, I mean. 170 Esna, Markham, Ontario. Take care, guys.